Biography of Zubair Jara Pahalwan. Zubair Jara Pahalwan, the undefeated Lion of Lahore, whose legend still lives on Lahore Sports Desk more than 3 decades after his death. The name Zubair Aslam Jara Pahalwan still echoes through Pakistan's wrestling arenas, tea houses, and the hearts of millions who once watched him dominate the ring. Born on November 24, 1960 in Lahore, Zubair belonged to Pakistan's legendary wrestling dynasty, the Bolu brothers, a family that produced some of the greatest champions in South Asia. His father Aslam Pahalwan and uncle Bolu Pahalwan were household names long before Jara stepped into the ring. From an early age, Zubair was destined for greatness, towering over his peers at 6 feet 2 inches and weighing around 96 kilograms. He combined traditional training with natural agility, speed, and strength that made him a crowd favorite across Pakistan. The historic bout that made history on June 17, 1979, Lahore's famous wrestling arena witnessed an event that would go down in sports history. The world-renowned Japanese wrestler Antonio Inoki faced the young and fearless Zubair Jara Pahalwan. The bout was more than just a match, it was a moment of pride for Pakistan. To everyone's surprise, the young Jara displayed extraordinary skill and endurance, forcing Inoki to concede defeat before the 6th round began. That victory turned Jara into a national hero overnight. Newspapers hailed him as the new Lion of Lahore and pride of Pakistan. For the people, he was not just a wrestler, he was a symbol of Pakistani strength, honor, and defiance on the world stage. A career without defeat. Throughout his wrestling career, Jara remained undefeated. His matches, whether held in Lahore, Karachi, or abroad, drew massive crowds, sometimes numbering in tens of thousands. His fighting style combined the traditional South Asian Kushti techniques with a modern sense of showmanship. Elder wrestlers often spoke of his humility and respect for opponents. He fought like a tiger but carried the heart of gentleman. One of his trainers once said, "Tragic end to a glorious life." In 1991, at just 31 years old, Zubair Jara Pahalwan passed away due to heart failure, shocking fans across Pakistan. His untimely death marked the end of an era. His funeral in Lahore was attended by thousands, including prominent athletes and politicians, all paying tribute to the national icon. After his death, the wrestler family faced financial and emotional struggles, but Jara's legend continued to inspire future generations of wrestlers, a legacy that refuses to fade. Decades later, Jara's name still commands respect. Documentaries, articles, and interviews continue to celebrate his legacy. Every year on September 10, fans and wrestling enthusiasts commemorate his death anniversary to honor his contributions to Pakistani sports. Sports analysts and fans have long urged the government to establish a memorial or produce a documentary film to immortalize Jara's journey, a young man who took on the world and never lost. For Pakistan, Zubair Jara Pahalwan remains not just a wrestler but a symbol of national pride, a legend of Lahore, and a true Rustom-e-Pakistan whose spirit still lives in every wrestling ring of the country. MD Udaan News TV, Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil Cooks, Desi Eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Koil Jat Kadahi, and Elevex Beauty Soap. And marriage proposals for all caste. Mobile number 0323478780. You are watching Udaan News.